What is Chainlink? At HubKoin, we support many cryptocurrencies, and as we evolve, we're adding more currencies to choose from. Our videos are not financial advice. The purpose of these videos is to help you on your own investing journey and to learn about the assets we support. This video will explain the basics of Chainlink and its cryptocurrency, Link. Chainlink is a blockchain oracle network. The network can be used to enhance smart contracts by facilitating the transfer of secure data from off-chain sources to an on-chain source. Smart contracts have the potential to change industries by replacing traditional legal agreements and automated digital agreements, but smart contracts running on blockchains cannot communicate with external systems. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network. It allows smart contracts to use services and real-world data to provide a more secure way for blockchains to communicate with external systems. If you have questions about blockchain oracles or smart contracts, you can check out our videos on them. The links are in the description. In 2007, Chainlink was created by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis. The white paper was written by Ellis and Cornell University professor Dr. Ari Jules. Since its creation, Chainlink has continued to evolve, improving its security and technology. In 2021, Chainlink released Chainlink 2.0. Its new white paper went into detail about more features that enhance security, scaling, and more. Chainlink says on their website that they are a part of a world-class community, building this pioneering technology together. They are united behind a common purpose, to accelerate blockchain adoption and make Chainlink the standard of Oracle framework for connecting the on-chain and off-chain worlds. The blockchain industry has recognized Chainlink as a leading project by independent research firms, and it has been recognized in major publications like Bloomberg, Forbes, NASDAQ, MIT Technology Review, and CoinDesk. Chainlink is already being used in multiple industries, including decentralized finance, insurance, gaming, and data systems. Chainlink is a leader in blockchain oracle technology, and we here at HubKoin will be watching to see how this technology evolves and how it changes blockchain oracles in the future. We've reached the end of the video. We really appreciate your time, and if you liked this video, feel free to give it a like. You can also subscribe to our channel from our future crypto info videos. Thanks so much for sticking through to the end, and as always, remember, we're all learning together. Sources for this video are in the description below. Thank you for watching.